right, guys, here we go. We're gonna make some wonderful lobster rolls, little minis. Fun, fun, fun. Grab them squishy buns out of your bag and let's do this. All right, slice into the top of the bun, you know, so you can put all the goodies on the inside, and we're gonna end up cutting them. I like to cut the ends and then also slice in the middle before I come and cut through the actual creases. And I do cut through the creases. I don't actually pull them apart because you want a nice flat surface. I did get a little bit of fat into that pan, which you didn't see, but it's just to get it a nice little bit of crispiness, and I added a little bit of fat on top there, as you can see as I flipped them over. And those are ready. I'm just going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to show you guys how to stuff this in here. It's all ready to rock. It's just a nice little party favor here. So I'm going to grab our mixture, put it right inside of the bun that's split from the top. The bun's super hot because of the toasting on the outsides, and it gives you that crunch on the outside, which is really nice. So as I finish this up, I'm going to look over to my buddy Bob and say, yo, cheers. Let's take a big bite. Yes. We made a pact that we're going to do a 2-biter on this bad boy. So there's one bite. Let's see if James wants one over here. James? Yeah. Oh, of course he does. Yep, 2-biter for him too. Tyler's going to do a 3-biter, but
these are quite delicioso, as Dora the Explorer would say.
He has a niece that I think watches a lot of Dora the Explorer. All right, y'all. Check out the next video. We'll see you next time. Happy Easter.